In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a realistic AI 3D photo using Google Gemini AI. If you're looking to enhance your photography with cutting-edge artificial intelligence, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and take this process step by step to ensure you get the most out of this innovative technology. First, we'll need to start with the basics. Open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. This might seem like a simple step, but it's an essential one to access the tools we need. Once there, use the search bar to type Google Gemini and hit enter. You're aiming to find the official Google Gemini website where all the magic happens. When the search results appear, look for the official Google Gemini website link and click on it. This will direct you to the main platform. The website is your gateway to unlocking the potential of AI in transforming your photographs into stunning 3D models. Once you're on the Google Gemini site, you'll notice a plus sign or an upload button. Click on this to upload the photo you want to transform. Make sure your photo is of high quality for the best results. After uploading, it's time to input a prompt. This is a crucial step where you'll guide the AI on what kind of 3D transformation you're aiming for. Take a moment to think about what specific elements you'd like to bring out in your photo, as this direction will steer the AI's creative process. Now, locate and click on the Tools menu. This is where you'll find various options that allow you to tweak and adjust the process to suit your needs. From the Tools section, select Create Images. This choice initiates the AI's rendering of the 3D photo based on the guidance and photo you provided. With everything set, it's time to proceed by clicking on the Submit button. This step is crucial as it allows the AI to process your inputs and bring your vision to life. Ensure you've filled in all necessary details before hitting Submit to avoid any errors. Once you submit, take a moment to relax as the AI works its magic. Upon completion, you will have successfully created a 3D model with multiple people featured in it. This result showcases the potential of AI to elevate ordinary photos into extraordinary 3D experiences. Thank you for following along this intriguing journey of creating a realistic AI 3D photo with Google Gemini AI. Don't forget to experiment and explore different styles and prompts to see the varied results you can achieve. Keep innovating and transforming your photography